peeing?
What's on that side? Just swamp?
Yeah, this
Kind
is
of
all
junk?
this is all swamp, creek bottom, private.
Oh,
It's all private right here. So I don't know. I was trying to look while we were driving down here. See if there's a couple major runs. It's kind of hardwoods and then it turns into more swampy or whatever.
check it out.
Alright guys, 4:50, October 13th, out here in Kalamazoo County, some public. We got Peyton, she's up the bat, I'm filming, she's got the crossbow, ready to rock and roll. We're down here in a spot I hunted a couple years ago, where you got a creek to our right. It's a real nice thick creek bottom, hoping they're coming out of here. We got real thick, brushy, green prickers, really gnarly stuff in front of us. Kind of a ridge to our front and back around to our left here. It's just real thick and gnarly. When I hunted this in the past, they've come right out of this ridge and down this way. So we're hoping history repeats itself. We actually got a couple little rubs up here on some dinky little trees, fresh tracks, bunch of runs all over the place. We're tucked up in this big, nasty, thick, dead tree. Pretty sweet little spot. So they come out of this creek right here. Nice little 20-yard shot. They come down this ridge right out here in front of us. Probably a nice little 20-yard shot. So we're in. We'll see what happens. We got a couple hours and hopefully we have some luck tonight. I think our wind's a little swirly, and they stopped just on this little knob out here to our front left at it's probably about 40 yards. 3 nice does, and they kind of held up, checking it out, kind of down this way. I don't know if they caught a little bit of our scent or what, but they were checking us out for, this seemed like forever, and I think one got a little bit more downwind of us and busted us. Started blowing, and then they took off right here in front of us, down towards the creek and the thick stuff. So that got us going. We thought we were gonna get a shot. Peyton kept saying, I'm nervous. thought we were gonna get it done, man. I was hoping they were gonna come right down this finger right here in front of us. 20-yard shot. Ah, man, that was close. Guys, it's 7 o'clock. We're starting to lose camera light. Maybe got a few minutes left here. Nothing since those does. So it was a fun night though. That was cool. We got real close. Got our blood pumping. So we're gonna back up, sneak up out of here. And that's gonna do it.
Can I still shoot something if it's moving?
That's gonna do it for us this weekend, guys. See you later in the week. Have a good week.